Hi guys, I'm just going to show you my setup that I have in my room. I guess someone's going to probably ask in the future, somewhere I'll already have a video for them to watch. So it all starts from here, a normal 10 amp socket, and this is my meter which measures voltage, hertz, or frequency, sorry, and the time, but that's wrong. Voltage, see, amps, 320 milliamps, and the power factor is 81, or 8.81. So amperes, watts, 61.4, the power factor of 81. Got kilowatt hours, 3. I don't like that, I like the meter that I've got in front, which is power factor. Total price, don't care about that. So yeah, that's it's one of these normal thingies. So it all starts with a PDL, normal 10 amp, 240 volt socket. It's a total loading with some heavy duty 2.5mm cable. And I'll tell you why I chose this to use this big thick cable. Here goes the cable up here, the poster up into the wall. It's hanging low, it should really be up there. Goes up, comes back down behind, past the clock, and all the way down at the bottom. Excuse the mess. And comes up to here. This is where the fun begins. So, excuse all this messy wiring, I can sort this out. Goes into a normal 10 amp, another 10 amp socket right here. Another PDL one. I love these sockets, so I installed one here. This cable flex goes into, need to fix this. This is all getting redone in the near future. 1.5mm cable flex, or 1.5mm flex going to the electricity meter, and the output is 2.5mm cable to the to a socket here, earthed. This will soon be upgraded, but I'll show you that sooner or later. 2 leads come out from the normal 10 amp socket to these multi-boxes here, which run all my equipment. Yeah, it seems dodgy, but it's all within the rating of 10 amps, which this meter can take constantly. If I can, here we go, amps, 10 volts, 250, or 230, yeah, 230, 2 wires and gamma. So that's moving because I've got a lamp load and a computer charging, and don't ask me what that is. So yeah, these wires may look a little bit dodgy at the moment, but it's soon going to get fixed up in here. That is pretty nasty for restraint, but do not worry, all be redone in a minute, or in the near future. So yeah, I'll tell you my plans at the moment, but before that, these things are just plugged in this normal 2.5mm cable here that should really be covered, but nobody really pokes around there. What are those? Plugged into those is just chargers, multi-boxes, stereos, really cool green lamps. So yeah, so $6 or $9 surge protector from Kmart. Don't know how much surge protector it actually does, but it's better to have some than none. But yeah, my stereo is plugged into that. But if there's a lightning storm, yeah, I unplug it. But just for transient voltages, this should do the job. Oh, and ripple control's coming through, I think. Perfect timing. Wait a second. That's the ripple control, guys. It's coming through again. These are not like the lines that these are the lines that you see. That's the lamp flickering. If you can see it. That's normal. Let me try something. That's the noise coming through the stereo. That's it interfering with the amplifier. As you can see, the lamp flickering every time it pulses, and it stopped. Okay, that's really good. I'm pleased that that's happened, so I can actually show you how this thing works.
It's a victory over the North.
Oh, jeez, turn that off. Right, okay. Here's a TV that I'm gonna wire up soon. Well, I mean by like actually getting some picture out of it. So yeah, it's a little small one. But anyway, yeah, so what my plans are to do with this... shit. Just a second, my light turned off. No worry. The fuck? Okay. Right. Let's just get back to this video. Sorry, my battery was getting too low and I had to adjust some things. Okay, so, here, gonna put some wooden MDF or some board, I think it's I think it's MDF. I'm gonna use these timers, so regular power point and a timer. So that's going to be used for and as a sort of control load timing and alarm clock as well. So I'm getting kind of tired of listening to the same alarm clock. So this is going to be wired up to this socket here, and it's going to be connected to the stereo and maybe the light string too. So when it's 7 in the morning, I get woken up by the stereo and the light string turning on just with some soft light, so it doesn't burn my eyes out with the main light turning on in the room. So yeah, that's what's going to happen in the future. I will do a video when that's finished, so I can show you the setup, because this is old. Well, it's not old, but it's a little bit dodgy, and I don't like it, and I'm going to replace it. That socket will probably be removed, I think. I think I will remove it. Or I might keep the socket, I'm not sure. But I'm going to put a little switchboard there, a brand new one, already ordering the parts. So there's going to be circuits feeding off a switchboard in there. It's actually going to be fed by some proper cable instead of going to a socket. But this is just somewhat as a starter. I did have a think about it, so yeah. I will be putting a switchboard here, just in case if there is a short circuit somewhere here or an overload. I don't have a 20 amp breaker in the garage to reset, which I haven't had to reset, by the way. So yeah, that's all good. So that's about it for today, so until next time, thank you for watching.